Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to find a Telegram group invite link on the PC app with the latest update. This is a great way to share a group with others or join a group directly using a link. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. If you're not logged in yet, simply enter your phone number and the verification code sent to your device to get started. Once you're logged in, navigate to the group you want to find the invite link for. You can search for the group using the search bar at the top, or scroll through your chats to locate it. Now that you're in the group chat, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see 3 dots stacked vertically. Click on these dots to open a menu with more options. From the menu, select Manage Group. This will take you to the group's settings, where you can manage all aspects of the group. Next, look for the Invite Links option in the settings. Click on Invite Links, and this will show you the unique invite link for the group. If the group already has an active link, you'll be able to see it here. You can copy the link by clicking on it, and it will be automatically copied to your clipboard. You can now easily share the link with anyone you want to invite to the group. If you need to create a new invite link, you can do that as well, all from the same page. That's it. You've now learned how to find a Telegram group invite link on your PC.